Last video we went ahead, set up the private function to calculate the tax and have it set to return. Now we need to go into our button, and for order purposes I'm going to move the button above our function. So we passed down, we have to kind of go in order here. We passed down the initial information here into bill. So we need to get the bill from the form first, which of course leads us back to bringing information in, try parsing. So we go double.tryparse. This is coming in from the custbill text box. So we'll go custbill text box dot text, comma, place it into bill. Very good. Now, calling to a function can be a little confusing at first, even though we've done it before in other aspects of programming. We want to now go ahead and calculate the tax. And we want the tax amount to be equal to this. So we can say tax amount equals, instead of doing bill times tax, we'll say calc tax and pass down the bill. So this will do the same thing as if we had this up here, except now it gives us the ability to repeat it anywhere within the program. And then let me go find the name of that label. I think, yep, call it tax label. So we'll say that tax label dot text equals tax amount. So I'm going to go ahead and try it here. Remember, it's 7%, so I'm going to go ahead and do it at $100 just to see, how it works. It's going to take it a second to load. It's the newer version, so it does take a little bit of time here. I'll say, okay. Here's $100, calc tax, there's the 7. Could we cheat? And I don't mean by cheat, I mean take the middleman kind of out of it and put it here instead? Absolutely. Because that would then get us putting it right where it belongs right away. Still works. When you call a function, you could also do the formatting here and do .toString C2. And now it will should come back formatted correctly. Uh-oh. It errored out. Okay, the reason it errored out is because we're returning a value here, and it did not fully recognize it by itself. So we would still need, if we wanted to format it, to do it on 2 different lines. But that's okay. We can go ahead and show that real quick, and then we will move on here. So I'm going to set this back up the way it was. Tax amount, tax label dot text equals tax amount toString. There we go. This should like us better now. There we go. So there's an example of setting up a function with one particular parameter and returning a value.